here is how to play Closer Defined by the Indigo Girls. This is the Brandi Carlile version from Barbie. So for the first part we have an A major 7 and a D sus2. Picking pattern 4 3 2 1 2 3 4 3. Goes like this. I'm trying to tell you something about my life. Maybe give me insight between black and white. Then we go up to the E sus4 and then back to the D sus2. But the best thing you've ever done for me is to help me take myself less seriously. Then we go back to the first part. It's only life after all. It's only life after all. Another verse, but then we'll skip to the chorus. We have an E major, a D major, and an A major. And the strum could be down, 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 up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down. I went to the doctor, I went to the mountains, I looked to the children, and I drank from the fountains. Then we go back to the picking. But there's more than one answer to these questions, born in me in a crooked life. Up to the E sus4, and the less I seek my source for some definitive